data ka siya banda.
Swim outside.
Swim outside. Nag-swimming daw siya with
Ay,
daddy.
swimming.
Yeah.
Oo. Yes, I will send the picture. I will send cellphone. Send mama to
You
me.
swimming. He seen. Anak, nakita niya.
Send in picture, your picture. Okay?
Oh, you-
Nice, nice. Like that one. While you give galong.
It won't work.
Ate Bulin daw.
Para sana maiba. Wala siyang ganyan, di ba? Bago yan.
Tontuwa na naman siya. Ay, regalo na naman ng sisi. Nagulat si PJ.
The next day.
Sinsin daw. Tita Rizal have a gift.
Yeah, the mama's destiny's mama.
The pickup.
This
The,
for
you know, the pickup.
Gifts
Like that.
from Tita Rizal.
The big store there. There.
Yeah.
Tita Rizal.
What's a go drive it
Yeah.
and go in
Yeah.
my house?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, look, look.
Come on,
Sit
turn
down.
now. Sit down properly.
Oh, come on. There's a
Close your
person.
eyes.
You're excited?
Close your eyes.
Oh, close your eyes daw. Sinsin.
There's a present now.
Oh, close your eyes.
Close. Close your eyes.
Close your eyes. Wow. Wow.
That's Tita's.
You say thank you.
Ano?
You know, the Tita Rizal, there's a pickup car like that. You say thank you.
I'm going in
It's Vigo.
Pickup truck.
Wow.
also 100.
What's 100? No, that's not 100 lang. I think.
It's stuck.
Oh, what's that?
I
Huwag mo isama yung kay ano mo, kay Ate Nora. Sa Vader. Oh, you say thank you, Tita. Tita Rizal. Thank you.
Mom,
Oh, you happy?
it's stuck.
Ang galing.
Nagulat ako, ano? Nagulat ako.
Stuck,
May
Mom.
regalo daw si Jen. Hindi daw
Masama.
kita-kita kasi si Jen.
Mom, what's a,
Oo, ang ganda niya na. Ano yata yan eh? Magkano yan? Siya, nakita ko yan eh.
and where's more?
Buti hindi ko binili, no? Di ba? Balak ko pala bilhin.
Oh, a big excavator for Jen.
Wow!
From Tita Rizal.
And those batteries.
Yes!
Oh, there's the batteries.
And there's a book trunk.
Wow!
Mom, let's again.
You like that? Oh, then press this one. Press.
Wow!
Get it. Oh, you miss it. Wow. Wait.
It's flash.
Oh, you say thank you, Tita!
Thank you, Tita.
Nakakababa.
Let's get it. And what about that side?
Nabiglo nang nakita sa akin. Oh.
What about that side?
Sige, go there. Yeah, at the living room only. Because it's dark.
Yung
now.
pagkaya rin.
Huh?
Iniwan niya na. Dito ka lang ah.
Here na, here. You play.
Yan, yan. Sige, yan na lang. Yan, nakikita siya eh. Hindi, okay na yan, nakikita siya.
1, 2, 3, go.
Ang galing!
Oh.
It's so nice?
Yeah.
What's that? It's a?
Excavator.
Very good.
Look. Mom, look. What about Kel's car, Mom?
Okay. Nagtuwan-tuwa.
Mom.
The next day.
Open it! Open it! Open it! Come on! Oh, yun na, you see. What's that? Open it! Open it! Open it! All! Oh, wow!
Oo. Tingnan natin yung line.
Wow!
You have a new car!
Me?
Yeah, it's so many cars. How
Asa
many
yung
cars do you
regalo
have?
mo sa kay Chandy? Wow!
Wow!
Oh, get it! Come on, it.
Mom.
Yung daddy help. Oh. Wow.
So many cars.
Say thank you.
Oh, it can go.
Yung laruan niya, baril-baril din. What's that?
Ano natanggap niya? Ano natanggap?
Gauche, tapos yung ano.
May nakita ko Captain America.
Oo nga yun.
Ano naman ito?
Kotse nga yun.
Ay, kotse kala ko sila. Ano.
Oh, open it.
Ibagam ko ah.
The next day.
Lagi po. Wow, Daddy, you have a gift? Wow. Wow, ganda. Big gift for Ninang Colleen. Wow. There's gift Ninang, anak ko.
Dali video call siya na. Sige.
Oh, gift Ninang. I see you. You see?
Bill,
Yeah.
I open.
Yeah, open mo.
Okay. Mom, what's inside?
I don't know what is inside.
Mom, Mom, it's shaking.
It's shaking?
Yes.
Parang wala naman
What is
anak
that
shaking.
and shaking.
I don't know. Open it. That's Ninang Colleen. Gift to you.
Why?
Ninang Colleen.
And
What's that? Oh,
Mom,
what's that? Baka kala niya babae ka.
Aba.
Mom, what is that?
Can I gonna open it? Can I lift it this one? Oh, lift it.
Oh,
You lift
open.
it.
Wow!
Wow, another cup.
Wow!
New cup. New cup. Wow. Hey, it's like a present. And
The big one.
Wow!
and new clothes.
And my car.
You taste that one and it says strawberry mallow.
No, no.
You don't want?
Oh, can I put it right there?
Slam!
Look, look, look.
Oh, you see?
Yeah,
Wow! It's big. And then, makasya ba niya?
Kasi
Wow!
magandang kulay na green na gusto ko eh.
Mint green.
The next day.
Tulog na daw siya, tutulog na daw siya. Bigyan natin sa kanya. Thank you. Galong. Thank you, Galong. Galong give that to you.
Why? Why go and TikTok in the house?
Yeah, it's gonna tok-tok but where you sleeping?
Why and
Yeah, you sleep. You so many chocolate. Binawasan pa yun ni Lola mo.
I'm not open it.
You open it, ah.
I'm not open.
You say to Daddy help.
Mom, there's gummy bears.
Yeah, there is.
And there's
What's that, pa?
sweets. And there's sweets. And
Yeah. Open it. Wow, what is that? There's so many gummies.
and what is that?
I think this one is sea crystal like SpongeBob.
And what is that?
Hamburger gummy. This one is gummy also. Also gummy. This Coca-Cola din, no? Soda, kagami.
And there's gummy bears too.
You say thank you.
And there's gummy bears too.
Yeah, you say thank you nga, Rod.
Thank you. And there's two gummy bears.
Yeah, baby.
Ngayon, on baby.
Open mo naman na lahat. May Coca-Cola ka na dito, oh.
I have some snacks. And that my mom and that one.
Oh, it's enough. Only one by one.
And gummy bear. That one. A gummy bear.
Eat first. That is gonna mud.
And then,
Gusto niya papuksan lala. Kala niya siguro laruan. May burger kasi tsaka ano. Oh, taste mo.
ano?
Oh, tikman mo. Hindi yan laruan. Eat it. I mean, I will buy that. Loko-loko. Eat ko.
No, eat Coca-Cola and one may put it.
Mm.
The next day.
Ito, dami mo ng gift, ah. It's nice. Say thank you. Diyan sa buluan na siya bumili. What's that? See, who's this? Who's this? Yeah.
The next day.
Ating na. O, go to Papa. Dapat mamaya pang gabi yan, ikaw talaga. Santa daw man. Bubuksan niya yung mga binalot kong Colgate. Inutusan. Ano yung mother? Yung iba. Open to Daddy. Bilis! 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 That's the last one because no Christmas na next time again.
Santa and bye-bye Santa.
You bye-bye Santa na. Oh, that's the last gift of Santa.
Hey, where's Tito?
There. That's the last gift.
Which one?
Open it. You say goodbye. Goodbye ka na kay Santa. That's the last gift of Santa to you. Oh, come on, open. Sabi niya, you say goodbye, Santa. To sleep ka na daw eh.
Mom, open my door.
Yeah, there's no na tomorrow. That's the last gift, okay? Sabi mo nga, explain mo. Wala nang gift tomorrow.
That's the last gift of Santa, okay?
You see, come on. Wow, it's good. You see the daddy. Paano?
What is that?
You see the daddy. Daddy, open mo nga, paano? Paano? You see nga. You see. It's a flight. Wow! Nagulat siya mata, tignan mo.
Oh. Like Earth.
It's night time. It's for night, okay? You're gonna ilaw that one later. Yung disco. Oh, come on. Yun na. Yan.
I'm go outside and
Sige, papakita niya daw sa inyo. It's cute, Zen. Hi. Smile here.
The next day.
That's gift of Wawa, Miriam, and Angel. Tatay. Open it.
Mom, what's inside?
Don't know. It's gift for you, Angel.
Angels go in the house.
No, it's give to Tito. Tito Kali.
Angels go.
But what happened to your eyes? But it's not, ano. Oh, come on. Open it.
I'm not.
Lola and Lolo. What's that? Wow, it's a Hot Wheels again?
Yeah!
Oh, nga Hot Wheels.
Yes, it's same Hot Wheels.
Oh, you say thank you, Angel.
And Wawa.
Wowo and Wawa.
Mom, what does Wawa have?
Oh, you see man? May see man in the camera? Oh, you see? Oh, you need help to Daddy. Wow! Hot Wheels pareho. Can I see the picture? Oh, you don't have pa that one May see man. Can I see the picture? Like that to. Can I see mommy?
No.
See lang.
Oh, wow.
Ito diecast. Ay, Matchbox to. Di ba mas mahal to? Yung ganito mahal. Yung parang binili natin.
Depende sa store. Pero magkasabayan sila ng price.
Picture. This one. The other one. You open it, that one. That's your cloth McQueen, I think so.
Why? Angel, what?
Yeah, birth it. It's gonna buy. You see.
Look.
Open it. Come on. What's that? Is it? It's a McQueen? McQueen, Daddy? Oh, it's a McQueen nga.
Yeah.
You're gonna wear that, okay?
Why?
Oh, it's nice. You say thank you.
Thank you.
Happy New Year.
I really, Mom.
Oh, you open it. What's that?
Mom, what is that?
It's different car. Buti wala ka pang ganyan. Kadami mo Hot Wheels. Buti wala ka pang ganyan. Kinukuha mo.
Dad,
No?
Dad, what? Dad, look, I'm opening.
Ang ganda, no? Oh. Yan yung binili mo, di ba sabi mo mahal? Doon sa DIY rin.
Hindi, sana to.
So, binili yan yun.
Oo, sa DIY.
Oo nga. Yung mahal.
Ito kasi 130.
Oo.
Ito 150 yata. 140 ganun.
Ang ganda.
Lamang siya ng 20 o 10.
The next day.
Sige lang, ikaw lang.
Ang galing naman yan.
Bata yung helicopter.
Oh. Tapos. Oh. Sabi niya. Oh. Oh. Ang galing.
Ay, gago, boba naman na ito. Tanga-tanga.
Then, you see the toys of daddy. And then, you see the toys of daddy. Here. Here, oh, you check out. Di ba you shopping that one?
Dad,
Oh.
buy it.
What?
Oh, you see, watch first. Oh, watch first.
Watch first, where you go?
Dad,
No, don't touch it. It's gonna go there.
Watch
It's gonna go
Papi
there. Look.
first.
And
Siya
then,
nag-check out yung kamahal.
You twist it. You twist like this.
okay.
Nah, you roll it like this.
Ayan, the helicopter is gonna get it, the car.
Come on.
Sige, come on. Come on. Oh, it's gonna
Okay.
get, and then,
Come
just
on,
wait.
you point the helicopter over there, and then press this one. Wait. Come on, you press.
Oh,
More. Wait. Let me help you. Like this, and then. Like this, and then this one.
oh, and then, it's gonna
This
put
one.
there, and
This one,
then,
you pull
wait.
No, pull this one.
You're gonna control it.
Then this
Oh,
one, pull this one. The gray one.
oh. It's nice gift, daddy, no?
You press this one.
That's the toys of daddy.
Wow, and then this one. This one also.
Dad, I'm going to go up there.
Hindi pwede, display mo lang yan. Chinek out mo yan, di ba? You check out that one.
Why you playing shortcut?
Oh, bata ka.
Wait for the helicopter. Come on, press it. Press hard. Don't do that. Like this only. Like this.
Buisit.
The next day.
Di? Where's Santa, daddy? Oh, there's Santa gift. Wow! Oh, you open it. Come on. You open it. Faster! Faster! Faster!
Why you open it again?
Wow! What's that? What's that?
Daddy gives me.
Yeah, that's daddy gift. Whose name? Oh, for daddy gift. Oh, what's that?
What's it?
Oh, what's that? Oh, what's that?
Daddy, Mom.
Hindi niya nalat sabihin niya.
Daddy told Mom.
Yeah. Oh, kiss na daddy. Pinaiyak pa natin, no? Oh, kiss na daddy. Faster! It's gonna fix. Kiss daddy. That's gift daddy.
Mom.
Oh, kiss na. Kiss daddy. You say thank you. Yeah, that's daddy gift. Wow. Oh, kiss mo nga rin siya. Oh, open it. Gift mo. Oh, kiss mo daddy. Oh, we're gonna open.
Open now.
Daddy's gonna
Oh, what? What?
toy.
Oh, daddy's buy that one. Oh, dapat sa Christmas pa. You're gonna open in Christmas, but you're excited.
Daddy's gonna out.
Why you don't want to get out? Eh, daddy, give that one eh. Oh, open it. Tatawa ka sa'yo. Here, the other side. Daddy selfie. That's daddy gift. Oh, what's whose gift that one nga, Rod? Santa? Oh, you control daddy. Daddy's gonna teach you. Oh, daddy's gonna teach you. You hold.
You hold here. Okay.
Hold mo ah. Magugulat yan.
No, don't hold
This one, this here lang. Here, anak. Hold that one. Oh. Okay? Daddy's gonna hold ah. You control it. One. Oh. Oh, that's gift. Oh. Oh, you see that? Oh, you see that? Oh, you see? Oh. Mal, binuksan niya na malo. Parang sa ano. Wow. Oh, the other one. Oh, hala ka to. Sinira mo na. Oh, other one. Baka na, wag mo magbiglain ah. Huwag mo biglain. Wala na, sira na. Wow. Oh, you say thank you da. Say Santa. Oh, you see. You careful, ah. You're gonna hurt in the, ano. Go play it. Oh.
Oh, don't get too close. Don't get too close.
Oo na, sobrahan. Sobrahan, masira. You control it, ah.
Sige, mapunta doon.
O nga, may mapunta doon sa kabila. Oh, be careful, ah. Dito ka,
Wag ka na dyan, wag ka na dyan.
Oh, gaga ka sinira. Uy, masira. Wow, that's a Swiss.
I.
Oh, you're gonna control it. Ah,
Click the start. This one, the start.
wow. It's nice. Delikado. Oh, outside. Doon na tayo sa outside, Daddy.